Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making steamed pork with lotus root.
A dish that's simple to make, super tasty and packed with nutrition. It's also perfect if you've got friends or family coming over.
Alright, let's get started.
First, we need to prep the lotus root. Peel it, wash it clean, and then slice it into coin-sized pieces. Make sure the thickness is nice and even. Once that's done, put the slices into a bowl. Add some water and 5 teaspoons of salt. This helps soften the lotus root a little.
Now let's move on to the filling.
Here I've got some minced pork. To season it, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of Chinese 13 spice powder, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Then add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 10 grams of oyster sauce. Next, we are going to make a quick scallion ginger water to take away the pork smell. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine and squeeze them hard with your hand until you get their aromatic juice. Pour this right into the meat. Now use the chopsticks to mix the meat and seasoning. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it well and set it aside. For garnish, I've got half a carrot, diced into tiny cubes, and some chopped scallions. Okay, let's check on our lotus root. See this? If you can bend it without it breaking, that means it's ready. Now take a slice of lotus root. Dust the surface with a little cornstarch. Then spread some of the pork filling on top and roll it up just like this. Repeat the process until you fill the whole plate. For the empty space in the middle, just crack in 1 egg yolk. Now we steam it. Start with cold water, bring it up to a boil and steam for about 10 minutes. Heat some oil in the wok. Add the diced carrot. Give it a quick stir, then season with 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce and about 5 grams of oyster sauce. Add 150 milliliters of water. Bring it to a boil. Then add a little potato starch slurry to thicken it until it's glossy and sticky. Finally, drizzle in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. We are done. Now pour this beautiful sauce all over the steamed lotus root rolls. Look at that! So pretty and it smells incredible.
Let's give it a try. The lotus root is tender with just the right crunch. The pork is juicy, and you get that light, refreshing aroma from the lotus root in every bite. So good. Give it a try, you are going to love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.